I pushed it. Okay.
Task 6. Shoveling in the blizzard. A week after I moved to Kansas City, a blizzard hit. I left work and drove in blinding snow, finally arriving at the house I had rented. There was a huge drift at the beginning of the driveway. I gunned my car and went right through it, coming to a stop. I congratulated myself on my safe arrival. I got a shovel out of the back of the car, and I cleared the rest of the driveway, all the way to the garage. Then I shoveled the walk up to the house. Just as I reached the front steps, an elderly man opened the door. "Thanks, son," he said, "but you live next door." The end of this story.